This is William Hogan, and this is my Android Studio project with connected devices. So I have a Raspberry Pi 4 here with the SenseHat on top of it. I have here an ESP8266. It's connected to a breadboard with an LED. The ground has gone to the ground on the ESP8266. There's a 220 ohm resistor then from the ground to the cathode, and then from the anode to the D4 pin. See if I can see the D4 pin there, that's connected to the anode. And this is the mobile app, SenseHat data, and here I have this is the Arduino code. I'm just reading the serial monitor because it keeps disconnecting from the broker. And also in here I have the Node-RED dashboard. And that temperature and humidity is being published from the SenseHat to the broker, broker.emqx.io, and the flow is here. This is the flow with my MQTT in, and MQTT out is William Slider here. And some of these were just for testing. I had a separate my MQTT app. So on the mobile app side of things, this pitch, roll and yaw, this is a view pager 2 with tabbed layout. So you can swipe or you can press the tabs, and this data will be getting read from the SenseHat. The gyroscope is the pitch, roll and yaw of the Raspberry Pi itself. So if I tilt this up this way, the pitch should update. Yeah, there we go. That's standing that way. I put it on its side. Yeah, it changes there again on the yaw, and then if we twist it, the values change again. I think it's every 5 seconds I have that to update. And now next, if we go to the humidity, that's coming from the SenseHat as well. So that's reading it around 24, 25, even a little bit under, 23 and a half, 25, 23, 22, kind of bouncing around a little bit. And the graph then, this will plot temperature and humidity, but we'll give that a couple of minutes. And I'm just gonna, this is sensor data, apologies. Now these are 3 separate fragments within the Android Studio project. And the sensor in my phone, I'm not using the proximity sensor because this phone, this A23, Samsung A23, only has a virtual proximity sensor, so I'm using the accelerometer instead to detect movement. So that's been printed, that's been sent as a message, and it's been displayed on the SenseHat. So we'll see it there every few seconds. Yeah. And also if I shake the phone, this LED should detect that movement. Let's give it 1 second now, see if it's connected. There we go. So once you shake the phone, then the LED detects that movement, which I am doing in this code here. I'm subtracting the gravity minus 9.81, and if it goes above 2, then that LED will flash. The other thing, I have a send message. So if I type in a message, and when I press the send button, that should scroll across the SenseTime. And there we go. And finally, the other one was this temperature and humidity data. And we can see the data coming in there. So temperature is just over 40, but 42. And humidity is around 23, 24. That's 23.6, and yeah, about 41, 42 roughly. So that's everything in my app. Dropped. Thanks very much.